How to see card number on Navy Federal app. Now, if you're currently running or checking it out using your mobile phone or from the application itself, make sure that your application or your Navy Federal app is updated to the latest version. Just head directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device and make sure that your Federal Navy app is updated. Now, checking out your card number on Navy Federal app is very easy. All you have to do first is, of course, log into your account using your username and password. Now, once you have successfully logged in, all you have to do is to go to a specific account which you wanted to view the card number with. Now, once you have accessed it, just go directly to card details and you should be able to see your card number on that specific account. And that's it. That's how you see card number on Navy Federal app.